Canvid makes screen recording easy. Record your full screen or just a window, your choice. Record with system audio, mic, and webcam if you want. When you're ready, hit the record button. While recording, Canvid tracks your mouse and clicks. When you're done, click stop to jump into the Canvid editor where you can tweak your video background, change the cursor style, crop out parts of the video you don't want to show, and edit or add new zooms to highlight key moments. Use Canvid's powerful AI tools to remove your webcam background, enhance mic audio, and auto-generate transcripts in seconds. Export up to 4K or share instantly with Quick Share. That's Canvid, studio quality screen recordings made simple.